Today I am making dinner and I'm going to cook some tilapia, and the way I'm going to cook it, I've got some corn chips that I ground up, so I'm going to cover it with egg and then dip it in the corn chips, and then I'm going to cook it in some oil. It's going to be good. So what I could do, start by doing, let me open up find my scissors. I don't know where they're at. Maybe they're in the sink.
Oh, maybe I put on the...
I found them. Okay. Yeah. So I found the scissors after hours of looking, searching for them, and they were just right in front of me. We'll make these things easy to open. Yeah, at our house in Thailand, we have three actually ponds, and all three of them have tilapia in them. So these are looking pretty good. Wow, there's actually, believe it or not, there's 4 pieces here. Pretty good for well, what is it? $5? Yeah, $4. Something like that. Anyway, okay, so first thing I'm going to do, drop it in there. Yeah, I'll do 2 of them. Alright, so I'm going to heat up these eggs. Switch these over here. And then, in this one, hey, get out of there. I'm going to put my ground tortilla chips. There's a tortilla chip that didn't get chopped up, so I think I'll eat it. Now, didn't open that package too well. I'll put a plate right here. So, starting with the first piece here. Oh, actually, this is 1 piece. I thought it was 2 pieces. Let me try it a little bit. I think you're supposed to flour them too, but I don't really have any flour here, so. Oh, it is only 2 pieces. Well, good. Easy enough. They're big pieces. So, kind of saturate it in the egg here. onions here. So those are ready for cooking. Okay, well, with our tilapia, which we are yet to cook, I'm making some mashed potatoes. And since I don't have any milk, but I have dry milk, so I'm going to add the dry milk right into the mashed potatoes, add some butter, and then I'm going to kind of mash them up. So, should be good. Let's see, they're probably just about ready. And they look pretty good. Let's throw in the butter first. I can't believe it's not butter. Put some of that in there. Let that melt up. Made the potatoes earlier. And also we're going to have some canned corn with our dinner tonight. Wait a little bit more for that butter to melt. Hey, get out of there. Okay, I think that'll do it. Go ahead and turn this off. All right, those look pretty good. And as you see, those are ready to go. Put that in the sink for now. Put the potatoes back here. And next we're going to get ready with our cooking our tilapia. Yeah, a little more. Start our burner back up. These in. And I'm going to stick the corn on now. And there is our tilapia right here. Mashed potatoes are here. Alright, let me get out a couple plates. Corn should be done in no time. Some more butter in there. Oh yeah, forgot, it's not butter. I can't believe it's not butter. Okay, we are ready to eat. There's my plate. There's Sue. She didn't want a lot of mashed potatoes. We're probably gonna maybe put on a little sriracha sauce here. Sue was thinking barbecue sauce, but yeah,
I think
maybe.
ketchup.
Okay, ketchup. It's over there, and let's eat.
Okay.
All right. Should I try a bite first?
Yep.
Here we go.
Okay.
Wow. That's good. All right, let's eat.
Hannah, look at you.
Hey, what are you looking at? Let me try the mashed potatoes. Oh, that's good. Corn. Wow. That is good. Let's eat.